How about this? Don't hire duct cleaning companies. Have you ever heard of these duct cleaning situations?
Yeah, I was thinking of doing it myself.
Like hiring one of them?
Hiring, not cleaning.
Well, because they're always calling you. It's always the spam phone calls.
Yeah.
And it's always like they're so excited when you pick up. You just pick up the phone. They go, whoa, don't you go anywhere. We got some for you.
Like, oh. Ugh.
You can just tell people don't pick up often, but you also know it's an auto dialer because they're not there right away. You're like, hello?
Yeah, it's like a couple seconds.
Hello? And then, hey there, I got the best thing you've ever heard of. And that's a sign that it's probably not that good, what you're about to hear about. However, I'm sure plenty of people will do it. And there is something that takes place, obviously. Companies that promote air duct cleaning as a remedy for sore throats, allergies, colds, coughs. And of course, nobody wants any of these things. So it's a hell of a pitch. However, according to Boston Consumers Checkbook, they said in a November report, there is no evidence of any health benefits from cleaning a home's air ducts. According to the EPA, duct cleaning has never been shown to actually prevent health problems. Neither do studies conclusively demonstrate that dust levels in homes increase because of dirty air ducts. Well, this has to do with filters, right? The air, the filter is the most important thing.
Yeah, you got to have the filter.
You probably got people cleaning their air ducts and they haven't changed the filter in 2 years.
Yeah.
It's like, what do you do?
It's just like, why is my skin so itchy?
We call duct cleaning a solution in search of a problem. You'll still get dust buildup in your duct work, but know that for the most part, it stays inert. Having a company come in and vacuum it all out and agitate it and try to remove it can create more problems than it solves.
Okay.
They're actually not duct cleaners. They're duct agitators. They're like, can we come in and agitate your ducts?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
But they do clean it. I mean, they're not just moving it around.
Look at this. Brasler cited a Canadian study that showed in some cases dust levels inside a home go up for a short time following cleaning.
Jeez.
I don't know. This is not my area of expertise, but I have to think with how aggressively they're selling it, it has to be a thing that most people are skeptical of. Just their means of selling it.
Yeah.
If it worked and all of a sudden everybody's places were so clean and all of a sudden their nose wasn't stuffed anymore, hell yeah, we'd be telling everybody left, right, and center. Like, we'd be getting this done on a regular basis, just like changing our oil. But
so this is the biggest scam in history?
No, I don't know if I'm willing to go that far. I would require more research. You know who it requires? Johnny Harris.
Oh, yeah.
And that might be next on his list. If not, we might have to do it, Will. We might have to summon our inner Johnny Harris and tackle this one to find out what's really going on.
All right. Let's go.
I don't know. Maybe once every, maybe once every 20 years or something. I really don't know. But the studies say that the dust that's already in the ducts should be left alone because it's inert and because it isn't being picked up by the force of the air at the moment. So disturbing it only has it jumping around.
It kind of makes sense. But, you don't want it to like overfill, right?
Well, that's what the filter's for, I presume.
Well, what if it's like super packed in there?
Have you encountered this?
No, I would imagine that there would be a scenario.
Will's the guy calling up the duct cleaning guys. He's like, it's super packed. They're like, leave us alone. He's the one getting excited. He's trying to sell the duct cleaning guys.
There's too much dust in there.